Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. The question is, more and more people these days choose to immigrate to other countries to live, work and to study. They claim that this is the best way to advance their careers and their lives. To what extent do you agree with this? So the question is saying that more and more people want to immigrate to other countries for various reasons, for studying, or they feel that there are more opportunities outside the country. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, in my answer, I have agreed that despite your country's growth or despite your country's excellent infrastructure, there are different opportunities and one should go to other countries if they are afforded the opportunity to live, study or work. First reason is increased quality of life. Immigrating to a new country offers a myriad a lot offers a myriad range of benefits that can significantly improve one's career and enhance their quality of life. So, for example, many people from India go to the US or UK or Canada. Why? Because they want to improve the quality of life. In many places in India, for example, even the capital New Delhi has a lot of issues. For example, this traffic, this pollution. There's in some areas there is scarcity of potable water, or they do not get the quality of education that they want, or some people want to get a bigger salary. So they have various reasons. One of the reasons is that there is also an increased quality of life. So quality of life encompasses of all these things: less pollution, good quality of water, good education, more work opportunities, etc. Access to world class technology. Moving to another nation provides access to cutting edge technologies, innovative projects, and a vast network of professionals, all of which can accelerate one's career progression and broaden skills. Many software engineers from Hyderabad or Bangalore move to the US. Why? Because there are more opportunities there. They work with different projects. They get to experience a better quality of projects which they do not get in India. And that gives them access to the best of technologies, because United States is a hub for all the innovation. Or they go to Europe as well. Why? Because in the US or in Europe there is more money for research purposes. So they get more opportunity to work with the best technology. For example, a software engineer moving from a developing nation to Silicon Valley can gain access to world class facilities. Silicon Valley is the home of many technological companies such as Apple, Google, Microsoft. So they get to work with the best companies there. Excellent education. Students moving from a small town in India to a country like Canada or the United States can gain access to world class colleges and universities, as well as state of the art educational facilities, enabling them to realize their full potential. The United States has great universities such as Harvard, Stanford, Yale. Canada has University of Toronto, University of Alberta, as well as McGill University in Montreal as well. So there are world-class colleges and universities in both these countries, and students want to go there so that they can increase their knowledge, so that they can get exposed to the best professor, can learn from the best teachers. Okay. Fourth, experience cultural diversity. Immigration provides individuals with the opportunity to experience different cultures, languages, and lifestyle. So when you move to a different country, you gain access to different cultures. For example, a student moving from India to Canada or the US will encounter different kinds of immigrants. Immigrants from the Middle East, immigrants from China, immigrants from African nations. So he will get to know different cultures, different traditions, fostering personal growth and broadening their perspectives. And what it does, it broadens their personal growth and increases their perspective because they get to know about different people and their tradition, how they live, what kind of food they eat, what kind of dress they wear. Okay. Exposure to diverse environments enables individuals to develop adaptability, resilience, and cross-cultural communication skills. So all these things increases their soft skills. They are able to converse with different kinds of people. So they many people learn different languages as well. So for example, if you go to Quebec, you have to learn French, and that also increases their language skill set and cross-cultural communication skills, which are invaluable assets in today's globalized workforce. So for example, in Canada, if you can speak both English as well as French, you have more work opportunities. You have a higher pay. You have a higher paying scale, so you are able to get the best of both worlds. Okay, so this was IELTS writing task 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button